Humanoid robots are becoming more advanced every year, but UBTECH's new U1 Pro series is taking a different approach. Instead of focusing on factory work or heavy lifting, this full-size bionic humanoid robot is designed to create a stronger connection with people through a remarkably realistic appearance and natural interaction. The teaser video introduces the U1 Pro with a series of dramatic close-up shots that highlight its lifelike facial features, detailed skin texture, realistic eyes, and customizable appearance. Viewers see the robot sitting calmly while the camera captures its human-inspired design from multiple angles. In one scene, makeup is applied to the robot, emphasizing just how closely it resembles a real person. UBTECH also highlights several key features, including enhanced human-robot interaction, local encrypted memory, and personalization options. While the video does not showcase walking, object handling, or advanced physical tasks, it clearly reveals the company's vision for a future where humanoid robots become companions and assistants in everyday life. The U1 Pro represents a shift in the humanoid robot industry. Rather than competing solely on strength or industrial capabilities, UBTECH is focusing on emotional engagement, realism, and social interaction. If this technology continues to evolve, robots like the U1 Pro could eventually become a familiar part of homes, offices, and public spaces around the world. Satan.